Okay, so as I've said, our girl is not in good shape. You see her head is on the floor. She lost that again. Still doesn't have her hands or her bowls. She's cracking where I fixed her up last time. A lot of the outer shell of what I added last time is peeling off. But that's my own fault because I'm stupid and I didn't. I did a real quick fix on her and a really quick crappy paint job on her, and I didn't bother to waterproof her or seal her or anything after I did all that paper mache over the great stuff carving that I originally did. So I'm going to pull off all the loose pieces that I can and try to get her back to her glory. She is in pretty rough shape. But she is one of my favorites, and I mean, I could put her out there in the display like this and just reattach her head and nobody would care or notice or anything, but I care and I notice. So, wish me luck!